I'll show you how it works. There's our choke here, but I don't need it because I just started it. Hey, what's going on, guys? I don't know if you guys saw my last few videos. I talked about this motor that came in that had a burnt up rod and crank, and obviously not worth fixing on an older model like that. So I talked to the customer. He said, well, keep an eye out for like a used motor or a used rototiller. So what happened was I found an old Noma snowblower laying around, and it was an 8 horsepower Tecumseh motor, and I figured, you know what, maybe I could make it work. So I harvested a couple parts. I took the fuel tank off of there. I had to get a pull cord assembly. I replaced the fuel line, the primer line, put a carb on here, got an attachment for like off of a Toro Tecumseh air intake, which chokes down a little bit. I just have to adjust the carburetor a little bit. And then on the back side here, where the belt is, I reused his pulley, got the right size belt. Now his old model had a reverse that came off of here, but obviously this one won't have a reverse, so not a big deal. It's a rototiller, doesn't have to drive backwards. Throttle cable, and I attached, so that works pretty well. And here, I'll give you a shot. I'll show you how it works. There's our choke here, but I don't need it because I just started it. Pretty happy about that. This thing should really kick up some dirt. Let me know what you guys think about it. See if you guys have any other ideas that could have made it a little easier. But again, thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys next time.